So we are on our last stop. We are headed to New York, Hershey World. Because, you know, you can't have a chocolate tour without Hershey, right?
Of course.
Hershey's iconic. There's 2 levels. So it's totally its own entity, totally different than M&M World. 2 levels as opposed to 4. But we're going to see some cool things there. Again, we'll find some unique flavors that you can't find in the stores. And you're going to taste a shake. You're going to choose a milkshake at Hershey World. Now,
Oh boy.
you have an option of a shake or a slushie. And there's several flavors. And
I'll
again,
probably get with a slushie. I already have the coffee. I don't know.
That's what some people say. It's too much. But you know, when some people say, I want it all. So, and it's all
Unless they
inclusive.
have dairy-free shakes, you know. I mean,
Right.
that's what makes a shake, right?
Right.
The dairy.
right. So it's all included in your tour. So that's our next stop. And again, we show you around and then give you some time to do some shopping on your own. But that's where we leave you. That's your final stop on the tour. And the tour is approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. Depends on how big the group is, because how quickly the group moves along. The only really scheduled component is the transportation pickup. The rest has its tentative times, but give or take a few minutes here and there.
Wonderful. Awesome. Looking forward to it.
This way.
All
Tell
right,
me when you
guys.
want me to come.
We're good now.
All right. So we are at New York Hotel, which is where Hershey is.
Stay on the side for you.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is New York, guys.
Absolutely. New York Hotel. Let's go inside.
All right, thanks.
All right, we got something cool here to see along the way. Go to your right.
Something
New
cool.
York, yeah, New York is right in front of where T-Mobile is, where the Golden Knights, our Vegas Golden Knights hockey team play. So this is like the home property. When there's a game, they have a parade down the side street. So that is why you're going to see a Vegas Golden Knight vehicle right here in the entrance. Again, Instagram photo op.
Instagram photo opportunity.
And right around the front, it's going to tell us all about this vehicle. The 1979 Marathon Checker. What's really cool, it was for custom TV program rides in 2005.
Wow. Uh-oh. Okay.
All right, let's go. We're going right to Hershey World.
Hershey World.
That's right. People gambling in the casino.
Right outside of the chocolate factory. The chocolate
That
world.
is right. If we were doing a chocolate tour, not in the morning or in the afternoon instead, and it's a customized group, they like to have a moment to stop at the chocolate bar where you can get chocolate martinis and such. So again, that can be an extension of the tour to customization.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Chocolate martini, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Talk about special occasion. Jeez.
So what do you think is Hershey's #1 seller? Think about it. Think about it. And when we go in, I'll give you the answer.
Okay.
Now look at this. Kisses, right in front of us. A Statue of Liberty made out of chocolate. And come on over, let's take a look at this.
Statue of Liberty made out of chocolate.
Smell the chocolate in here too. Look at what it tells you. Nearly 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate. It's amazing. Of course, it has a mold. It has something to keep it together. But isn't that amazing? It weighs approximately the same as, look at that number, 4,645,161 Hershey milk chocolate bars.
Wow, that's ridiculous.
Right? Okay, so come on over here. We're gonna
No one tried to lick it yet?
No, but you can see how they try to scratch it.
Oh,
To
yeah.
make sure it's really chocolate. So you're going to see unique flavors here again, like we talked about earlier this morning. Kit Kats, strawberry dark chocolate. You don't find that very often in the stores. So it's seasonal. You'll see right here, there's a blueberry muffin Kit Kat. A lot of people don't realize that Kit Kat is part of Hershey's, just like Twizzlers and Jolly Ranchers are part of Hershey's.
I think you were talking to me about some Twizzlers stuff.
Right?
Too.
We're going to see something about that momentarily. But what you can do here, if you want to enhance your experience, you can personalize a label. You see those folks who are on the computer over there? You can put in a photo, you can put in text, kind of like where we had the experience at M&M World where you could do some personalization. They can personalize a label, and then the label goes over those really large chocolate bars for a souvenir gift or such.
Create your own chocolate bar.
Create your own. All right, let's go right over here. How about this? Huge Hershey Kiss.
You don't even want to eat it. You just want to put it on
the
display.
table, right? Okay, but how about this? Twizzlers, extra long. Can you imagine?
Extra long.
It's like a rope.
Twizzlers.
It's a really rope.
I can wear it as a belt.
I bet you can. And now you're going to see all kind of things around here. Again, here, take a look at this. This is kind of unique flavor. Strawberry ice cream cone. Something that you not necessarily are going to find in generic stores. So it's something here you can find. And what's really cool and unique, look at this, the display about zero sugar. A lot of people need that. Zero sugar. Even Jolly Ranchers, York, peppermint patties, and of course Hershey.
Nice.
So that's really new. An amazing showcase of treats, and we're going to make our way down to get a shake.
It's like anything like chocolatey. You can actually make it healthy now.
Yeah, right? Look at this.
Look, strawberry cup. Chocolate covered strawberries. Look at that.
This is like a little overwhelming.
Just a bit. I mean, my teeth hurts just looking at
Right?
it. Little mini donuts.
Mini donuts, and we're going to head over to these guys. So, got a Kit Kat strawberry shake. Or, hi guys. We're going to take a look what she decides she wants. Here's your milkshakes. This is your option, or here's your slush.
I will probably go for a slushie.
All right, what kind?
Let's see. Watermelon.
There we go. Watermelon slush would be awesome.
Got my slushie.
All right, you ready? Okay, now we're down to some more photos. Again, a cool, fun little place to take photos. Gift items, everybody loves it. This is candles, and of course you can see it's categorized by Kisses, Hershey Collection, Reese's. So back to the original question, what do you think is the #1 seller?
The Kisses?
Reese's peanut butter.
Oh, of course it is.
Wait till we go upstairs, you're going to see a whole section on that.
I'm not much of a peanut butter, chocolate eater.
But apparently in the world, I think a lot of people are. So this is a photo op again here. Everybody wants to stand with the Kisses statue and take, as you can see, take photos. And now you have something similar, like we saw earlier, the wall. And these would be individual. You can buy the Kisses by pounds, but they're going to be unique flavors.
Okay.
Again, something you can't find. So we'll take a walk around this way. So you've got dark chocolate, milk chocolate. We all know that. But then there also is cookies and cream. They're telling you up here all about the poundage. You can want to buy the pounds. But they're all different, and you can see from even the wrappers, different colors, different flavors. Again, some of them you cannot find in the department stores or just typical stores. All right, so follow right now. We're going to go all the way. We're going to go up to level 2. Oh, take a look here. Twizzlers, a whole station on Twizzlers. Again, a lot of people don't realize that Twizzlers is part of Hershey's. Reese's World. Everything is orange, right? So Reese's, you have shareables, you have miniatures, you have white chocolate. There's every variable of Reese's you can imagine, and then also in the back by the pound if you just want to buy the little pieces. All right. You turn this way, come right around. Okay, now you're going to see the huge Reese's arch, and look at the light fixtures. Look like Reese's peanut butter cups too.
Wow.
It's kind of fun. And then when you look straight through the Reese's arch, you can see those light fixtures look like Hershey's Kisses.
That's so cool.
Isn't that cute? They're taking their photo again. Instagram photo op. Everything is orange. Even orange over here.
You gotta keep the theme.
Right? Now we're going to go over here. We're going to see another Statue of Liberty.
Is it made out of peanut butter? Because I don't know.
It's made out of Twizzlers.
Oh my gosh.
23,000 Twizzlers.
Look at this, guys. It's great.
Is that crazy?
Do you see
Look
this?
all the way up.
Oh my! Looks like someone tried to eat a piece of it. Look at that.
23,000. I think that's amazing. Of course, you know, you can see some people have tried to take it apart,
I know.
but it must have been built quite a while ago. But you
That's
can see all the different
crazy.
sizes of the big licorice Twizzlers to on the face, the skinny
Makes me
ropes.
want to like get a bunch of Twizzlers and try to make my own.
Make your own something, right? You have a base.
A house or something.
Right? And you can see over here you've got a Jolly Rancher section that's kind of colorful. What I found popular is people seem to love the Jolly Rancher candles that are downstairs because they smell just like the Jolly Ranchers, right? And this is the Jolly Rancher.
I can tell. I
Slurpee.
was just gonna say it tastes like watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Right. So the shakes are shakes option, peanut butter and so forth, but the Slurpees are Jolly Rancher flavors.
That's great. All right.
All right. So we just finished our fourth stop. How is your sugar rush going?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be up all day and then crash later.
I think it's time for real food now.
Yeah, probably.
Real food.
Maybe real food and a margarita after this.
Maybe you need some protein. So we are finished our fourth stop, which was Hershey World inside of New York, New York. That's where we leave you. We give you time now to shop and enjoy your time. Some people choose to shop, and some people are ready to go. But while you're in New York, there's plenty of places to eat, lots to see if you've never been in this property. And you're close to where we started, which was M&M World, which is across the street. You can come out right here on level 2, take the walk over, and you end up right in front of MGM, a few steps away from M&M World, where you started and met us this morning. So easy for you to get back where you began if you need to. And we loved having you on this tour. We hope to see you more. Vegas Chocolate Tour.
Also, let's definitely let them know what the Vegas Fun Card.
Yep. I'm going to add to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready. Okay. When you guys are coming on Vegas Chocolate Tour, don't forget Vegas Fun Card. Let us know you have it. There's a special discount for you, 10%. 10% off every ticket purchased on Vegas Fun Card. Don't forget. See you soon.
Bye.